Welcome, Loxton back. I got this S10 build that I'm working on. As you can see, there's a little bit different things going on. Yep, that's a drive shaft. To show you what I've done is I melted through the transmission. Underneath, I used a needle to melt a couple holes so I can screw on this access plate, my tranny plate for the motor, so it'll be accessible. I screwed on the front because I'm going to make this accessible, removable in the future if I ever decide to make full suspension on here. But as of right now, I'm just going to do some steering. So that's screwed on. The motor's screwed together. It might actually come out depending on, like I just said, here. The body is going to be, I'm going to screw the bed into it. The bed. Yeah, the bed. I mean the benches. I'm going to make that screw on. So this whole thing's going to be able to come apart. Besides the motor being glued together, this is what it is. So as you see, I'm on the well, making to my little RC. Maybe clean this up a little bit so this fits. As you can see, it's just touching. If it was right there, it'd be perfect. So the next step is working on the steering. Like, comment, share this little build, and you'll see her coming together. Peace out.